When I won the EF challenge, I was like in shock. I couldn't believe it. I asked the girl if she read my name, like it was really me. I didn't know if I should cry, should laugh and all this stuff, but it was incredible. One of the best things about this trip was meeting so many incredible human beings. I learned so much from the other students. They had so much to teach me, and getting to listen and hear. There are many stories, there are many challenges and difficulties, but also their victories and everything they conquered in such a young age was really special. So when we went to Manhattan, we first went to the Statue of Liberty. We got a boat, we saw the beautiful view, and we got to the Statue of Liberty. Tamie told us the history, the background about the statue and everything. It was so much fun. We went to Times Square and took so many pictures. Then we went to the Rockefeller Tower. It was super beautiful, to see all the view from the top. Central Park, the Empire State, we could see everything. One of the best things was the discussions about climate change, about refugees, about the future of food and all these things. And I could see the different realities in different countries. It gave me a worldwide view of one problem in different scenarios and perspectives. It definitely opened my mind. I already knew my passion for this international environment. It was just a confirmation of this passion that I have. I extremely connected with all the students, actually, with everybody, because they are so real and so I don't know, so engaged with their communities and with the world. So I feel this sense of humanity, they were all one. Even we are from different countries, from all over the world, we are one people. And I really felt this here. It was so special.